Hi, welcome back on With Yourself Channel. I'm going to show you the secret code from the Redmi Note 20 Pro. This code probably works for the other Redmi Note models. This code can be helpful if you want to test your phone and specification of it. So, first of all, we have to go to phone and write this code. And that's it. From here you can diagnose all of the options of your phone, like vibration, SIM card, display, receiver. In my case I check the top speaker and you can pass it 5-7. Please make a noise on the mic. Ra wa 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 wa. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!